So here I'm showing you to actually how to I would say use this Linux Mint software. Okay, so there's a website which is called linuxmint.com. Okay, you can go to this website which is shown here. Okay, linuxmint.com/download. For example, you go there and you can download. Now I told you last time to bring your laptops. Okay, how many of you have your laptops? Hmm? No one? So in your laptop, for example, you can open this and there are options. Do you know if your system is 32-bit or 64-bit? Do you know? How do you know this? Yeah, from my computer. Okay, you should know if your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. And then there are three versions. One is called Cinnamon. Okay, then there is Mate and XFCE. So for example, I have downloaded this one. My system is 64-bit. So when I click here, it gives me a file which I have downloaded. Okay, so where is this file? I'm going to show you the file. I have downloaded it into my computer. Let me show you in my documents. Okay, and this is my file. Okay, ISO file. I have downloaded this file. I downloaded from where? I show you here. How do you download? Okay, so here I go to 64-bit Cinnamon. Okay, and you see this is 1.8 GB, very big. Okay, and this is for example, I use torrents. You can use some other things, but I use torrents, and you can use it directly from these any of these websites. So torrent was fast for me, so I use torrent to download this website, this software. When you download, you see it here. Okay, anywhere when you download, you will find this file. Now what do you do? I will show you what to do, but one option to see this is actually to write this into a USB. Okay, so you can write this file into a USB and then install from the USB. This is one option. Do you hear me? Okay, I will show you different options. One option is to have USB. Okay, so when you right click on this, okay, when you right click on this and you have option to burn this image, but actually this one it will burn to DVD. Okay, there is no option in USB. If you want to use USB, so there is another program you can download, okay, whose name is Rufus. Okay, you can search this. Rufus is a software which you can download. So if you search, I downloaded this, I run this just to show you. Okay, and in Rufus, just wait a minute. Okay, right now there is no device because I have not inserted USB. So I put USB, I put my USB into the computer. When I put my USB into the computer, it will show here. Okay, I have already done this. So there will be your USB. You will select USB. You will select your ISO here. I select my ISO, which is this one. Okay, so when you select it, for example, you will open it. Okay, and after opening, you will select, you can give the name. Okay, I have given the name, and then you will start. When you start, at the end you will get your USB, and this is my USB. It will create a USB for this. Now what will happen? This USB has your operating system, which is Linux Mint. I will show you how to use this USB. Okay, but another method without using USB is a software which is called VirtualBox. Okay, so you can go to this website which is called VirtualBox. Okay, uh, VirtualBox. So go to Google, you download this VirtualBox. Okay, so if your operating system is Windows, you should download Windows Host. In Windows Host, again you will have option. It is downloaded. You can see here. So I don't want to download because I have already installed this. So I can click on Start menu, and I will search for VirtualBox. I have installed it already. Okay. So this is Oracle VirtualBox. I click here. Okay, I want to show you how you can use this operating system inside Windows. Okay, this is very important. You should learn how can you use this operating system. So this is my virtual box. Okay, I have already created this, but I show you how to create, how you can create this. So first, you will create new. Do you see my screen? Yes. Okay. You will give a name. For example, this is Mint operating system. This is Linux operating system. Then you will choose, for example, if your operating system is 64-bit, it will automatically choose for you. Okay. So this is Linux operating system. This is automatic. I will just give any name. Okay. Mint OS is good name. Then I click on next. The amount of memory I want to use. So here I don't change it. I don't change anything. I will select 1 GB of memory for this. Next, okay, I can create a virtual hard disk, or I do not add, or I have existing virtual hard disk. Okay, so I already have one, but you can create when you are doing for the first time. You will create a virtual hard disk, then you will create. Okay, and when you create a hard disk, you will create a hard disk, and then what will you do? In this hard disk there will be option to choose a file. So you will choose the file which is there. Now you will see this at the end when you see Mint here. This is powered off. I click on start. When I click on start, what do you see?